Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorials brought to you by our W Elements tutorials group. And let's jump right in with today's poster. Wanted to know how to brighten up the face of the surfer. And basically the way we're going to do it is to make a duplicate copy and then erase the face of the original copy and then just lighten up the lower layer. So let's go ahead and start by hitting the layer here. We're going to right click and hit duplicate layer. Now we have two layers, the top one and the bottom one. Let's go ahead and turn off the bottom one temporarily, and on the top one let's come in really close here and let's cut out the face. If that's all you want to lighten up is the face, we'll take the eraser and make a small eraser. See, 100 point is too big, so I'm going to zoom in really close like this, and you can see right here at 10 points that gives me just enough space to be able to carefully cut out her face with a soft eraser. And if I really want, I can actually go even 5%. The tighter you get it, the better it's going to turn out. It takes a little bit of work, but it'll be totally worth it. I'm going to bring this to the edge of the face here like this and kind of fade this out a little bit. I don't know. Let's just keep the face. I'm going to make the brush a little bit bigger. Just the face. Now we can take the polygon tool and draw a polygon to get rid of the middle. You could use the eraser and kind of smudge it all out, but this is a lot faster and easier. Just make sure you don't leave any of the center and make sure that you don't go over the outside edge. I'll double click here. As soon as I hit delete, the face is gone. So now that I just got the face removed, all we got to do is turn the back layer back on. See, the face comes back on the back layer as I toggle it back and forth. And now we can choose that back layer, go to Enhance, Lighting, Brightness, and watch the face as I adjust the brightness right here. I can make the face darker. I can make the face lighter. Look at that. And all that does is affect just the face. And you could do anywhere in between. I could leave it somewhere around here, and then I could take the contrast and make it higher contrast or less contrast. And I like it right around there. And that's pretty much it. Now we can actually take the background, which is the top layer, and we can play around with this now. I'll go to Lighting, Brightness, and adjust everything else around her, but just the face. See that? Isn't that pretty cool? So if I want, I can add a little contrast. Look at that. Everything starts to come in a little bit sharper. This is the before. It's kind of muddy. After, higher contrast. And then finally, I'm going to go over to Enhance, Color, and adjust hue and saturation. And watch what happens when I take the saturation down. It makes it black and white except for just the face. Or I can make it all the way too colorful or somewhere in between. I liked it right around, let's say about here. I like that compared to the muddy original. I added 20% of color. And there you go. That's how to be able to lighten up the face and sharpen everything up and add a little color to the whole picture. And that's it for this tutorial. This is Rich, calling it quits, saying over and out.